Hey guys, and welcome back to another Taming.io video. Today I want to touch on a new topic that not many people have talked about before, and that is how to record Taming.io videos easily and effectively using 100% free software. In today's episode we will be talking about how to install recording software and how to record with the recording software. In future episodes we will also talk about how to edit effectively and also how to optimize your video so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it more. The first step is to download OBS Studio, which is a free platform where you can record and live stream. It has versions for both macOS and Windows, and you can click on their respective buttons to get to the download page. Once you click the buttons, it will take you to a download page, and the download for OBS should start automatically. I'm downloading the macOS version right now because that's the system I use, but for Windows it should be the same process. Once you have downloaded OBS, it should look something like this. If there are any errors where the screen looks kind of weird and other stuff, we'll get on to fixing that in a bit. The first thing we should go into settings, and you should see that in audio, one of the auxiliary audio is going to be your default microphone, which is good. Later we'll also get into how to download a desktop audio capture if you do not have one by default, which lets you capture sounds from whichever game you are playing. Once you get into video over here, it should show a base canvas resolution and an output scaled resolution. What you want to set the base resolution is the resolution of your display. You can see the resolution of your display by going into your settings and seeing it in the display preferences. Either in macOS or in Windows, they will have their respective locations. The output scaled resolution is the resolution that it will be actually recording to. For example, my screen resolution is 3360 by 2100, but when it actually records, the output is 1680 by 1050. You can set this to anything you want. There's also an FPS, which commonly is either 24, 30, or 60. Remember to keep a look at your CPU usage down here below. If it gets too high or your computer gets too warm, you're probably on too high settings and you should turn either the resolution or the FPS down. With macOS, what you want to get for desktop audio capture is Black Hole, which is a desktop audio capture app. Now if you go on here, where you can search it up by typing Black Hole Mac Audio or something similar, you'll get to this GitHub page, and you go down here and click download the installer. This is for macOS only because Windows has its default desktop audio capture that you can also select in OBS. Now comes one of the easiest parts of this whole process. In macOS, you can click the OBS icon over here and click start recording. Mine says stop recording because I'm currently recording this part right now. In Windows, it has about the same procedure, but you can also click on the OBS app itself and do start recording and stop recording from there if you don't know how to figure it out. Obviously, this looks kind of ugly, but you can always trim it out in the editing process later. If you have any questions about setting up OBS that I haven't covered already in this video, you can leave a comment and I'll try my best to respond as quickly as possible with as helpful information as I can. In the next episode, we will be talking about how to edit your videos using free video editors.